subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. On a Watch GS3 will be available in 3 variants: Voyager, Streamer Classic, and a Racing Edition. That has silicone straps. However, these images don't show the Voyager variant. On a Watch GS3 has a round dial, but the size of the screen isn't known. Honor is keeping the specs to itself until a proper launch, which is expected to be in September. One feature Honor has revealed is their 8-channel PPG module, which works with an AI engine for a more accurate heart rate measurement. So friends, how did you like this video? And what do you expect from Honor Watch GS3? Do let me know in the comment box. Thank you. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.